Hi, we're doing digital SAT prep. This is math, foundations level geometry and trigonometry. 10 questions. Let's start. V equals LWH. Formula gives the volume of a right rectangular prism with length L, width W, height H. What is the volume in cubic meters of a rectangular prism that is 5 meters long, 3 meters wide, and 4 meters tall? Okay, just multiply them all together. 5 times 4 is 20, times 3 is 60. Let's try that. Okay. Which of the following degree measures is equal to pi radians? And they helpfully note here that the number of degrees of arc in a circle is 360. Number of radians of arc in a circle is 2 pi. So to get to pi radians, would divide 2 pi in half and then divide 360 in half. Pi radians is 180 degrees. A circle in the xy plane has its center at -2/3, -3/4, radius 5. Which of the following is an equation of the circle? Well, an equation of the circle would be x minus the x coordinate of the center, y plus y minus the y coordinate of the center equals the radius squared. So that would be x plus 2/3. I'm sorry, squared. X, okay, yeah. X plus 2/3 squared plus y minus -3/4, so 3/4 squared equals 5. No, it doesn't equal 5. It's got to equal 25. So the equation actually looks like this. X minus -2/3 squared plus y minus -3/4 squared equals 25. And the answer is D. Triangle ABC is shown. What is the cosine of angle BAC? Well, that would be the cosine of this angle right here. Actually, I need something to write with. This angle right here. So cosine, toa. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent, the adjacent angle there is, the adjacent side is 3, and the hypotenuse is the square root of 109. So we've got 3 over the square root of 109. Nothing really looks exactly like that, but if you multiplied the top and bottom by the square root of 109, you would get 3 times the square root of 109 over 109. So let's go with A. This circle has center O, and the central angle of the shaded sector measures 60 degrees. The area of the shaded sector is what fraction of the area of the circle? Number of degrees of arc in a circle is 360. Well, that makes it a little bit easier. So just divide 60 by 360, and you're going to get 1 over 6. The figure shows a line intersecting 2 parallel lines. What is the value of x? They almost look like right angles, or perpendicular, but they're not because of that 103 degree angle. If that angle, if the angle here is 103, then this angle here is also going to be 103. It's a supplementary angle with x, so it needs to add up to 180, 103, plus 77 equals, I think I gotta turn the writing off, equals 77. Circle has center O and the measure of angle AOC is 120 degrees. The length of minor arc AC is what fraction of the circumference of the circle? Number of degrees, circle is 360. Okay, well then divide 120 by 360. That's the third. Oh, we have to enter it. Okay, 1/3. Figure shows a line intersecting two parallel lines. What is the value of x? Well, we've got alternate interior angles here. Two parallel lines, another line, transverse line that goes through them. They're internal angles because they're inside of the parallel lines, and they're alternate because they're on either side of the transverse. Alternate interior angles are equal. So the answer we have to enter is going to be 138. Which of the following radian measures is equal to 720 degrees? Number of degrees of arc in a circle is 360. Yeah, you should know that because they're not going to write that on every question. This is just a basic level test, so they're writing it on every question. The number of radians of arc in a circle is 2 pi. You should also know that. If you know that, then you can figure out, any conversions back and forth. But let's see, 720. So 720 is 2 revolutions around a circle. And so you've got to go 2 pi times 2, which is 4 pi radians. The equation of a circle is x minus 9 squared plus y plus 8 squared equals 4. The equation of a circle is x minus the x coordinate of the center plus y minus the y coordinate of the center equals the radius squared. All right, so we can eliminate that because the radius is 4. Radius is not 4. The radius is 2. The center has got to be at 9 and -8. So that is answer A. Oh, is that the 10th question? All right, that's it. I think the math starts to get harder after this. I think that was the last foundation level math question. But feel free to like, subscribe, and see you next time.